Doing a 62cc saw. I poured this before years ago with no degree wheel. This time I have one, so I've set it at bottom to the center, 180 degrees, and you're going to see what I'm seeing for the first time. So hopefully I'll turn so you can all see that. Turn the flywheel. So it's just kissing there. Just opening up. Right, we're sitting on 81 on the wheel. So that'll be interesting, see how we go with that. The exhaust, we'll see when that opens up. Right, I'll turn it around. Actually, can we put the torch on top? Here you go. Whoop. These things get complicated too. Right, I'll sit there. Should see some light come through. There you go. Light come through. About there. And that's sitting at about 99. Just there. Probably 100, 101, I'd say. Yeah, I'm not do that again. Yeah, 101. Alright, so the exhaust I haven't touched, that's what I had when I poured it without a wheel. I watched lots of videos and the intake had to be about 80 degrees, so I'll fix it up. So we'll see if a smaller saw will take the numbers of a big saw like a 372 or 660, because you set them on that and they seem to like that size. But it was a strong saw before, so we'll see how we go.